Hey, it's Nina Nevsky, and today I want to show you how to play the song Amazing Grace, My Chains Are Gone. It is such a beautiful song, sort of like a classic, and I can't believe I haven't done a tutorial on this yet. So I'm going to go through the entire song, or half of it, and then I'll go through all the details. Okay, so... Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. How once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. Twas grace that taught my heart to fear, and grace my fears relieved. How precious did that grace appear the hour I first believed. My chains are gone, I've been set free. My God, my Saviour has ransomed me, and like a flood, His mercy reigns, unending love, amazing grace. The Lord has promised good to me. His word my hope secures. He will my shield and portion be, as long as life endures. My chains are gone, I've been set free. My God, my Saviour has ransomed me, and like a flood, His mercy reigns, unending love, amazing grace. My chains are gone, I've been set free. My God, my Saviour has ransomed me, and like a flood, His mercy reigns, unending love, amazing grace. Anyway, that's how I'm gonna kind of end it off. Maybe we'll see. If, by the way, if you want to learn how to do this like random improvisation and how to add that like happy tone at the end of a song, I go through all of that in detail in the piano ministry course. You could just go to pianoministrycourse.com to look at that. Anyway, so now I'm gonna go through all the details of that. Okay, so the song, you might have noticed I didn't have any specific introduction. I just kind of played like a C chord, you know, the first and fifth of C, and just kind of press on the E with my right hand, and maybe the D. Amazing grace, how sweet. Then you move on to F, and I'm playing F with my left hand, just on the key, and maybe I'll play on the F, on the fifth of F, kind of depends. With my right hand, I'm playing the third and fifth of F. The sound. and I go back to the third of C. So keeping it really simple, I'm not just pressing on those chords like amazing grace. You notice how this like choppiness, it can get kind of too much, especially in the first verse. You want to make it really quiet. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound. So essentially with my left hand, I'm hitting first and fifth, first and fifth, okay? And then with my right hand, I'm just doing the third, maybe third and fifth, back to first and third. Say, maybe I'll hit on a whole chord too. Oh, rich. And then I'll hit on a key just to kind of keep the sound going. Saved a wretch like me. And here I'm playing an inverted G. So instead of just a G like this, I'm playing an inverted G. And that's because I don't want to move my hand from C all the way to G. I would rather just move one, not one finger, but two fingers to the left a little bit. It just makes it so much simpler for me versus like moving my entire hand. I just kind of move my fingers. And then I could go right back to C. If you want to learn more about inverted chords, I have a lesson on that. So going to F, and you can play F like this as an inverted chord. See my right hand? Like because of inverted chords, my right hand literally could just move like this. It's literally like inverted chords are amazing. So, you know, I don't even have to move my hand around much. Okay, so really calm and quiet, right? C, and then blind, but now F, I mean G. Now I see, back to C. You can go to verse 2 right away like I did. And what I did with verse 2 is I kind of went up to the higher keys so that it wouldn't sound too similar. So I did something like a C. I did first and fifth of C, and I think I held it the entire time. So like this. Grace that told my heart to fear. So notice that I could keep the 1 and 5 of C even when I play the F chord here. And when I might be playing my F chord here, I might do the flowy style of 1, 5, 1. And then C again. Grace my fears. And maybe I'll just do the 1 instead of the 1 and 5 here. Maybe I'll play 1 sometimes. My fears relieve. How precious did that grace appear. The hour I first believed. Now bringing my hand back to the middle, my right hand, getting ready for the chorus, okay? Because the chorus, we need to build up a tiny bit before the chorus. Believe my chains are gone. So we gotta prepare ourselves for that high note by pressing on the C triad a lot of times. First believe my chains. So see this action that I'm creating over here? I'm essentially building up. So believe, well, believe my chains are gone. I've been set free. My God, my Saviour has ransomed me. And trust me, for this part, the volume really matters. That's why I'm going into the whole build-up thing and trying to make sure to make a lot of just because it's the high notes, they need the loud music. And the way I do that is I'm playing an inverted F chord like this. So I'll hit on the chord. Maybe I'll hit it another time. And then C, I'm gonna play it. You could play the regular C, or you could play the inverted C that's a little lower, like, or this. So it doesn't really matter. Again, with the left hand, we're playing the 1, 5, 1. My God, my Saviour has ransomed me, and look up. So I kind of like to get quieter here, but it depends really on what you know, what you want. You could do His mercy reigns. And notice this chord here. We have a slash chord once in this song, and that is C over E. Isn't this so beautiful? His mercy reigns. I love how it sounds here. It's so beautiful. And then you go into unending love, a D minor. First time we see a D minor in this song. Amazing. And then C, grace. So it's a D minor, G, and then C. And then you can go to verse 3. The Lord has promised good to me. So, you know, you can go back into really basic playing, like C chord with right hand, and then with left, I'm just doing 1 and 5. And then F chord, back to C chord, back to G chord. So you can keep it really basic here. It doesn't have to be too quiet and gentle. It could just be like really basic chords. And then again, going into the chorus, my chains are gone, building up for that, right? I've been set free. My God, my Saviour has ransomed me. And like a flame, His mercy reigns, unending love, amazing grace. And then you can kind of do it quietly again. So, my chains are gone. I've been set free. And the way you play quieter is you're just playing a lot less bass and just like a note or two with your right hand. That's the secret to quiet playing, okay? So, gone. I've been set free. My God, my Saviour has ransomed me. Notice that I'm not hitting bass, just doing 1. Like a fly. I could do like a flowy style here. Fly. His mercy reigns, unending love, amazing grace. Anyway, you can kind of end it any way you want, but honestly, guys, that's the beauty of chords. Is a lot of times you'll see me playing, and then I kind of explain it maybe a little differently. But honestly, like, there is so much freedom when it comes to chords. You can kind of make up your own style as you go. You know, like with inverted chords, you can add more flowy style than I do, or you could do no flowy style and just play, you know, just press on the one bass note. It will sound great, trust me. It's really up to you and how creative you get with the song. If you want more information on how to play when someone is speaking or during a prayer, go to pianoministrycourse.com. I'd love to show you the details of that. And that is it for now. I'll see you in the next free tutorial. Bye.